Hello everyone, I'm Paul Aka. I'm a father of three, happily married, and a proud owner of MG4 Standard.
Oh, MG4 standard. Kailan niyo po siya, sir, nakuha?
The unit was released November 17.
17.
Yeah, so 6 months. I've been using it for 6 months now.
So, kayo yung mga one of the first owners talaga ng MG4 dito sa Philippines. Kasi
Yeah.
yung time na yun, same na kaka-release lang ng MG4.
Right, actually I attended I think there was a car show back in October. Yeah, I got the unit November. It was released in November 17.
So, bakit MG4 naman po yung napili niyo?
Well, initially I was looking at a hybrid car to do the transition from the ICE to electric. But then I did my research and I think it made more sense to go full electric. So I considered another brand. And then during the car show, I saw the difference, specifically on the style. And then I did further research on the performance in other countries, and that's why I decided to get the MG4. And so far, it has lived to my expectations.
Oo nga pala, ka-MG, nakalimutan naming sabihin na nandito si Sir Paul kasi china-charge niya ngayon yung MG4 EV standard niya dito sa MG Libis dahil meron kaming bagong DC charger and it's for free to use. So, sa mga ka-MG natin dyan na may EV, punta lang kayo dito sa MG Libis and for free ang paggamit ng charger and it's a fast charger. And ilang percent siya, sir, ng
when I got here, it was at 42%. In a few minutes, it has gone up to 50 now, 60. It's going to be done in no time at all. So this is actually my first time also to use fast charger. Yeah, and I'm really happy with that. So and the folks are really accommodating. So to your word, come here and experience fast charging in Libis.
Anyway, sir, matanong lang. So, kumusta ang experience niyo with MG4?
I mentioned earlier, I'm really happy with it. 6 months, gone so fast, but feels like I'm not driving any ICE car again. Yun yung problema because we have another ICE car. Since we had that MG, siguro less than 1,000 kilometers yung tinakbo ng isang sasakyan. But now, this one has 9,000 kilometers already. Yep.
Kumusta naman po, sir, na nagkakaroon po ba kayo ng range anxiety? Kasi yan yung karamihan na kinatatakot ng iba na kaya hindi sila nagsiswitch from traditional engine to EV.
It's really all about planning, if you ask me.
Yes.
Exactly. Because if you know where you're going, you know exactly if you have enough power on your car. Same with, gas, actually. Although, admittedly, you have more options. I mean, for an ICE vehicle, there are so many gas stations, okay, all around. But if you think about it, kung ka lang naman pupunta sa mga favorite mo eh. And it also comes with planning. So if you have your wall charger installed at home, worry no more about it because a full charge of my MG standard allows me to travel 350 to 400 kilometers.
Wow. 300 to 400 kilometers.
And I've never done, exactly. I've never done a single trip with, more than 100 kilometers one way. So, like today, the reason why I'm here is because I plan to go to Laguna in the morning. So, my estimate is to travel around 200 kilometers round trip. So, typically, I would use between 40 to 50% of my charge based on experience.
Ano na po ba pinakamalayo nyo napunta?
That has been the farthest so far, but come either this month or next month, we plan to go to Baguio.
To go to Baguio.
Yeah, because I've seen some vloggers of the same unit being able to, use the same in Baguio.
On a single charge, no, kaya nyo umakyat
Oh yeah,
ng
I think
Baguio.
so. Although some of them, they wanted to make sure sa Pangasinan, I think sa Rosario, they had a stopover and put a lot, additional juice on the car sa power.
Usually, sir, saan nyo po siya china-charge and how many hours po yung charging?
Well, if I use the slow charger at home, normally 5 hours.
5 hours.
would give me around 6.5, and that's about 13% additional capacity on my juice. The good thing with me is I have solar panels. So
Solar panel. So, masyadong tipid.
I get the energy from the sun.
Para sa inyo po ba, sir, mas tipid itong EV compared sa...
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
Mas malaki tipid nyo dito.
I did the math of that, and even if you get the power from Meralco, or even the chargers that are installed that actually charges you per kilowatt, it's still coming out more cheap than, you know, any other gasoline station. So whether you use diesel or petrol.
Parang mukhang hindi ka nababalik, sir, sa ICE na bigas.
Unless I get free gas lifetime, yeah, why not? Aside from that is the maintenance.
Maintenance, yes.
With even with the brand new ICE car, you still have to bring it to casa 3 months, 5 months, you know, so on. The last time I was in casa was to check the battery, and in 15 minutes it's done. Now I'm being asked to return it after, you know, a year. So I have a scheduled appointment in 6 months.
So anyway, sir, ano naman po masasabi nyo sa mga ka-MG natin na nagbabalak kumuha ng EV?
The time is now, guys. Let's buy, and let's not add up to the pollution. I think this is one big step for us to move to the right direction.
Sa ating mga ka-MG, do you have any more questions regarding our EV here? So just leave your comments on the comment section box below. And again, this is Grace, and this is
Paul.
And see you. Bye.
Bye.